Let's explore the WhatsApp template module in Notifyy. Click on Create Template. Here, enter your template name, select the template category, either marketing or utility, and choose the language. For the header, you can use text, image, video, or document formats. Then, fill in the body of your message. You can also add an optional footer. Next, add buttons. There are two types: quick reply buttons for simple responses like yes, no, or rate us. Call to action buttons, including options to visit website, call a phone number, copy an offer code, or trigger a flow button. These buttons are great for use cases like booking, customer support, promotions, or driving website traffic. Once your template is ready, click Create. Initially, it will appear as Not Started. From the Actions menu, select Submit Template to send it for Meta approval. Meta typically reviews within 48 hours, and once approved, the status will change to Approved. And that's how you create, configure, and submit a WhatsApp template in Notifyy.